Hi everybody, Christmas Cheyenne airgunner, and we got a box opener today. So let's see what we got. Let's see what it is. I don't know. Let's see what we got. You guys like that lefty, huh? The finish up of that lefty. Man, oh man, it turned out a lot nicer than what I thought it was gonna. So, what do we got in here? Uh-oh. Oh, it's upside down. That's all right. Box is it? You see that? Crosman CO2 target pistol. It is a. Ah, nice. Got papers in it. Bubble wrap. Bubble wrap. Bubble wrap. Let's see what else we got. Let's see what else we got in here. More bubble wrap. Ooh. Nice. Let's see which one we got. 16. 116. That's one of the bulk air fields. See? The bulk filled ones. So, yeah. Let's see what else we got. Got a box. Uh-oh. There's a bottle in here too. Huh. I've never had that. I've never had one of these. I don't even know how they work. I guess. What do you do? Twist it on there. Let me take a look. Oh, there's air in there. Don't know how it got in there. So, how do you do this? You just I see. I didn't know. I didn't know how to do that. Tighten it down till it's snug, I take it. Like that. Do you leave it level? Turn it upside down? I don't know. Any of you guys know, leave me remarks in the bottom there, because alright. I guess that's how it works. I'm just guessing. Tell me if I did it right. I don't know. I can't tell if there's anything in there. It's not cold or nothing. So let me see. I'm gonna pull it. I'll pull the trigger back and let her go and see what happens. See if I got any air in her. Nope. No air in her. But she's operational. Yeah. How do you fill those up? Do you take those in and they fill them in through here? Huh. I've never seen them done before. Kind of neat. I got some of the other ones here. I don't know if the bottles will fit on them. I got that. Take a look here. Let me straighten this up a little bit. Get a little bit more looking. See, I got the. Let me look. Put my glasses on. This is a 114. That's a 114, and it looks like the same thing. Let's see if it fits on there. Check. Let's see what happens. Got a 114, I think, a 116. Well, that's the pistol. Let's see what that one is. And this one's don't say. I don't know what that one is. Have to look at that one. Let's see what this one is. See if it tells me. 114. So I got two 114s, probably three 114s. Let's see. I want to see if that bottle fits on top of this, or if it's a different size. Looks like it's a different size. Nope. It fits. Yep. I guess, I don't know. And then take it out. Whoop. Yep. Anybody know how to do this correctly? Let me know, because I don't have a clue. If you turn it upside down, do it level. You want the CO2 to go inside there, or just the air? I don't know. Right? Let me know. Okay, everybody. Thank you.